In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Amazon affiliate link for a product. So as you can see, I'm already a member of the affiliate program of Amazon. And if you're not a member yet, you have to first sign up for the affiliate program. It's not very hard. You can do it easily. Yeah, let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to go to your homepage, and here you can see your earnings. And if you want to find a link, you have to go to product linking over here. You want to hit this, go to product links. And as you can see here, you can search any product on Amazon and you can get the link for it. So you can search for all or a different category. And let's search for example keyboard. And then let's search. You can also search over here for suggested. And as you can see, if I want to promote this keyboard, I can go to get link over here. And this will bring us over to the links. So as you can see here, you get the text and image, and that looks like this. And here is the HTML code. So if you have a website, for example, about blogging, you can just copy this code and paste it in your website. You can also use text only. So you can use the HTML, the standard link, which is pretty long, and you can also use a short link if you're promoting through videos, for example. Then you can use this. You can also use the image only, then it looks like this. And here is the HTML code for the image. So this is basically how you have to get an affiliate link on Amazon of a product, and I hope I helped you. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.